In this question, first I will draw a diagram to explain the given information. So that assume that this is a table and this is marble which is initially at rest condition. Now in the question it is saying that this marble is start to rolling on this frictionless table with given velocity, constant velocity, that is v is equal to 2.74 meter per second. So I can say that the marble is rolling in this direction with velocity, that is v, constant velocity, and then after rolling it will come at edge of table at this point. So then after it, in the question it is saying that it is trying to fall down. So I can say that at this time it is use the